Hey guys, welcome back, and this video is going to be sponsored by Modelones Polish, and Modelones is having a Black Friday sale on Amazon, and everything will be linked down below. So they are doing their gel polish kits. They have 32-piece gel polish kits. They have a dip powder kit, a poly gel set, and much more. So they are hitting you with everything you need in a kit to do a full set of nails or to do your nails. Everything in here can meet your basic needs for fall, winter, and coloring of your everyday life. I'm going to go ahead and open this and show you everything that is in the kit that I received. Alright, so on the back of the box, it also tells you that I have the gel polishes, the base coat, the top coat, the matte top coat, the nail primer, and also the dehydrator. It gives you directions, how to store the polish, any warnings, and how to contact the company. Okay, so we're going to get into this beautiful kit of colors. And it says Modelones Coloring Life. And as you can see here, this I believe is the 32-piece kit. So these are all of the colors that I received, including the top coat, base coat, the matte coat. Also in this particular box here, I have the primer and the dehydrator, and that's in this box. Okay, the nail prep primer and the nail prep dehydrator. All right, because there are certain times where I do have to do certain things to my own nails. So let's get into these colors here. Let me see if I can give y'all a little bit of light. There we go. So we have some absolutely beautiful colors that you can use for winter, spring, summer, fall, any special occasion, anything that you're going to. There's your neutral white, blacks, and grays. There are some glitter colors available as well. You have brown, purple, a couple of green and limes, a couple of yellows and orange. Here's some more browns. You have burgundy. There are some more glitter colors down here. And then you have some pink, some orange, blue, green. Everything that you need. Like I said, your basic white, black, and gray. So I'm going to go ahead and use some of these colors to take care of these beauties. And I'm going to come back and show you guys the designs that I created with these colors. Keep in mind that this sale is going on for Black Friday. I am uploading this video, so the sale is going right now while the video is uploaded. While you are seeing this, you can go ahead and click the link. I'm going to show y'all some of the kits that they have. Okay, guys, these are some of the kits that they have. And like I said, you can get your lamp. There is a polygel kit. You get your lamp, your file, the brush, everything you need. There is just a gel nail kit. They also have the non-stick builder gel kit. Everything that you need to build your nails. They have polygel, solid cream gel polish, solid cream gel polish, dip powder, and acrylic powder. I also want to show you guys that you have the option to build your own bundle. So when you go to the website, there is a page that says build your own bundle, and you can build your own bundle of colors, what you want to have in the kit, or what type of kit you want. There are all types of bundles that you can build, okay? And once again, they are in the middle of their Black Friday sale right now. So this is the time that you definitely want to jump on board to grab your products. And please go through the website and scroll through, you guys, because there are several kits. There is a kit to meet everyone's needs, okay? They have made sure that there are over 14 kits on this page. All different type of kit. Halloween kit. Even though Halloween's gone, you may want those colors. Adequate First kit. A Gentle at Heart kit. 4-in-1 nail glue and mini lamp if you just need the glue, the lamp. They have the Enchanted Hues kit, the Sweet Tooth kit. They have done something for everyone. And this is a view of the kits that they have available. And if you don't want a kit, you can do regular polishes, regular builder gel, regular poly gel, whatever meets your needs. Okay, once again, you guys, the link is going to be down below for the promotion that they are having on Amazon for Black Friday. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you the polishes on my nails. All right, dolls and gents, I am home and I'm going to go ahead and start polishing these nails. I'm going in with a brown and green on this nail. I want to try to do a half brown and a half green. I've never really tried this before, but I saw it in a picture while I was in the nail salon looking at fall nails. So I thought it would be something simple for me to try. I did not have any fall nail stickers and stuff, so I'm making a list of things that I need. I wish I would have had some leaves or some type of fall decor to go on my nails, but I did not, so I'm having to do everything freehand. So just picking up a couple of designs that I'm seeing from Instagram, from Pinterest, and I thought I would use these two colors. This is like a greenish bluish color. It's coming off teal on camera, but it leans a little bit more towards the green side in person. So I'm going to do this nail one side with the glitter brown color and one side with the teal green color. Put it under the lamp, and then I'm going to run some rhinestones up and down the nail. Going in with a second coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it under the lamp again, and then I'm going to run stones up and through it. I do apologize that there's no music. YouTube has been doing a lot of striking for certain music and content, so until we can get that down packed, there may be silence in some of these videos, but I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy the video anyways, whether there's music or whether there is not. All questions and comments you can put down below, and hey, you guys, share this video with someone. Click, tag, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I am uploading a video. Okay, and I have entered some, put some stones on the nails you're going to see in this next clip, and I'm going to put them under the lamp. Because my nails are curved, I have to do some stones, then put them under the lamp, then do some stones and put them under the lamp. It's time consuming because of the curve. The stones will slide in different positions on the nail if you don't do just a few at a time. And you see me moving some of the rhinestone glue there and getting the stones positioned where I want them before they get too hard. And then I cannot move them once they're, well, I could take them off and replace them. But once they're in place, you don't want to mess up your design or go back in and move them. So I usually do a couple of stones, cure it, and then I'll do a couple of stones. And I did go back in and just put stones all the way down the entire nail, which you will see here shortly. Let's get into these nails, you guys. All right, guys, I have done the Modelones polish on my hand. So I did a couple of different things so you guys can see it. Hold on one second. All right, I had to get my arm right. So this was the first one I was showing y'all. I went all the way down it with the stones. This is actually like a greenish color. It may be coming off a little blue or teal in the light, but it's greenish. And then I went in with some of these flakes here, trying to see how I can work with them, because I have like this packet of flakes and I was thinking about doing the gold because of fall and everything. So we'll see. And then this one I did matte. I have never done a matte nail before. There was a matte top coat in the box of polish. If you remember, there was a regular top coat, base coat, and a matte top coat. So there was a matte top coat in the polish, so I used that. And then this one, I used the Modelones glitter color. And then for the thumb, I used the blooming gel, and I just used a variety of all the colors that I use, including a burgundy, to do a marble effect. And I'm really happy with them. I didn't have any fall stickers or anything, so I had to come up with my own decorations. And I wanted to keep it simple because I wanted to actually love what I did. So this is the Modelones polish on my nails. I hope that you guys will at least click the link, share the link with your nail tech. Order some polishes for yourself. Order a kit for your nail tech for Christmas. Order a kit for your niece, sister, mother, daughters that are starting out in the nails. Everything they need. There's so many colors in this kit. And as I showed you before, there are other kits on the website. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow Modelones and myself on Instagram. Please click subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.